The next thing I'll do is I'll begin to project my lines. So if you want to project your lines, just leave a little bit of space below your original line. If this was your original line here, now this is my original line here, right? So I will leave a little bit of equal space below. The space between here and the ruler is equal to this one, almost equal, so that I will get a perfectly perpendicular line at 90 degrees. So I will begin to trace my, so I want to make sure this is okay. Yes, this is it. So I will begin to project my points now. So you can project from up to down or down to up, anyone, but that's to be. So I'll do the same thing for this side now. So I'll change my perspective now. So because of space, I will do it from up to down. So projecting this one. So even if it did not reach to the other side, I will still complete it. So yes, so I'll project this one here. I'll project this one here. Okay. So I'm trying to keep my lines faint. So far I think I've done needful. 4,500, 1,500, and 4,500. So yes, I forgot to project them. So I'll still keep that equal space. Then project this one here. So I'll extend the lines now. So if it doesn't reach, we'll begin to extend the lines. Extend the lines here. So, but you have to keep them faint. Let them be too thick. So the next thing we'll do now is look back at the drawing and begin to pick out the walls. Now, in this question, our walls is 225 centimeter thick, and for most WAEC questions, your wall will be 225 centimeter thick. Sorry, 225 thick. So that's 225 thick. You divide by 100. So that's 225 divided by 100. That gives me 2.25 millimeter. So that means my wall, for my walls, I'll measure 2.25 millimeter for every wall. So for this wall, for example, I'll measure 2.25 millimeter. So I will do that now, and I will return the video.